Vivo today launched the Vivo X300 and Vivo X300 Pro in India. The Vivo X300 Pro comes in dune gold and elite black colors in India in a lone 16GB per 512GB configuration, priced at 109,999 Indian rupees. Both smartphones are powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 SoC with Origin OS 6 based on Android 16. Both X300 and X300 Pro support the Zeiss 2.35x telephoto extender. X300 Pro carries a Sony LYT-828 main sensor offering 50 megapixels paired with a 50MP ultrawide and 85mm 200 megapixel Zeiss APO telephoto. The X300 Pro features a slim 7.99mm profile and a 6.78-inch flat display with a metal frame designed for a sharper edge feel. It will also pack dual UFS 4.1 storage. It features a larger 6,510 mAh battery with 90W wired and 40W wireless charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.